Welcome back to How to Authority. Now, you may have heard a couple of moments back a lot of talk about iPhones finally allowing RCS messaging. But what is it and why should you care? Well, RCS, which stands for Rich Communication Services, is a successor to the now pretty old SMS and MMS standards for text communication, given how SMS has been with us since 1992 now. It allows for much higher character limits, better image quality, video clips, GIFs, and so much more. And because it uses internet data, it's also a lot more secure, though with an SMS MMS fallback if you don't have a stable connection for that. And the list of improvements over SMS and MMS goes on and on and on. Now, RCS messaging has been pretty standard on Android devices for a long time, with the rollout of the feature first beginning in 2019. However, it was only introduced to iPhones with iOS version 18, which finally allows for much better communications between people on iPhone and people on Android, something that people have been asking for a very, very long time. Now, in order to check if your phone actually supports it, simply go into Settings on your iPhone, then go into General, and then into Software Updates, and it will tell you which version of iOS you are running. Then to turn on RCS messaging, go into the Apps menu within Settings, then onto Messages, and then select and enable RCS messaging in the next menu. With all of those benefits, RCS can pretty much take over for apps like Facebook Messenger and WhatsApp, though there's still some things that RCS can't natively do that those apps can, like fully natively integrated video chats. That is still something you're gonna have to use some other app for. So hopefully this video explained exactly what RCS is and why it's such a big deal and why it's such a big improvement compared to the SMS and MMS days of old. So if you found this explanation helpful, then hey, maybe subscribe to How to Authority for more like this in the future, diving into more tech topics.